Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to connect to your Azure DB via Microsoft Excel. I believe this only works in Excel 365 onwards. Open Excel, click on Get the Data tab, then click on Get Data, then From Database, then From SQL Server Database. In the server box, type Facts and Dimensions.database.windows.net. And in the database, put in your username again, followed by _user DB. That's the name of your database. Click OK. Then click on database here. Put in your username here and your password here. And then click connect. And that's all. Now, if you've got an error message that has your IP address in the error message, that means you've been able to connect to Azure, but you need to send us that IP address so that we can whitelist it. If you had error messages to do with TCP providers or name pipes and things like that, that's something to do with your firewall. Go to lesson 1 video where I put links to Microsoft that'll help whoever's in charge of the firewall to open port 1433 and anything else they need to do. Thank you very much. Bye.